Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to make an amazing peach crumble. So firstly you need to chop up those peach slices. Don't forget to slice out the core in the middle because you don't want to bite into those when you eat your crumble. So I've got about 8 peaches here and I use that to serve about 10 people. So just slice them all up and then place them into baking tray big enough size to make your crumble that's going to go into the oven. So once you've layered all your peaches onto your baking tray, then you want to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice just to kind of bring out the flavour. And I love adding a bit of vanilla essence in there too for a bit of sweetness, and some cinnamon as well. So give all the peaches a good mix in that spice and vanilla, and then we're going to add a bit of coconut sugar. Now you can use normal white sugar or caster sugar, that's fine, but I love to add a bit of coconut sugar in there. I find this adds a really kind of molasses, a bit of a caramel flavour to the crumble. So next you're going to do is the crumble topping. So we've got some plain flour into a bowl. And then to that I add in some coconut sugar to give it some sweetness. And because this one's vegan, I'm adding some plant-based dairy-free butter in there as well to make my crumble. So get stuck in, use your fingers and really mix that butter into the flour till it all kind of resembles some breadcrumby texture. I love using this technique while adding it in the oven just before you put it on top of the peaches, because it kind of gives it an extra bit of crunch. Next, layer on top of those peaches the crumble mixture. Make sure all the peaches are covered with that lovely crusty crumble. I always find myself adding more crumble than I do with the fruit because I actually love and get really annoyed when there's not enough crumble on dessert. So this is great, just top it up with as much crumble as you want. Pour over some custard or ice cream is great. Serve it warm straight out of the oven, it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you soon.